how to turn on or off remove photosensitive videos. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix or how to control the option of photosensitive videos. So first thing, what is this meaning? Just go to your TikTok, on your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down until you find accessibility and click on it. Now you have photosensitive videos. You can remove photosensitive video by click on it to turn off this option. And now remove videos using effect that may trigger photosensitive videos. That means when a video is sensitive, they're gonna put a photo to you to know that this is a sensitive video. You can turn on this option to let you know, or just turn it off if you don't care of this stuff. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.